Varistor is one of the transient voltage protection devices like Zener diode, gas discharge tube, crowbar device, etc. So transient voltage is the sudden rise in voltage and current on the electrical circuit which is of higher magnitude that may damage the electrical circuits or components. So the transient voltages are produced due to lightning, switching of the industrial loads, electrostatic discharge, that is the charge that is transferred from one device to other, a noise, etc. If you see the waveform on the left side, there is a sudden spike that is present on the normal waveform. So there should be some provision for limiting this transient, otherwise this may damage the circuitry. So the transient pulses are defined by rise time t1 and pulse duration t2, and IEC has defined a standard pulse for defining the various transients with various durations. So varistor is also known as voltage dependent resistor, and this is bidirectional. So it will handle both positive and negative transients, non-polarized symmetrical VI characteristics as shown in the figure. So varistor basically consists of zinc oxide ceramic material with two copper leads, and when a transient occurs, the resistance of the zinc oxide material will change from very high value to very low conducting value, thus absorbing the energy and clamping the voltage to a safe level and protecting the sensitive circuitry or components. The symbol of the varistor will be shown as right side. In addition to varistors, there are thermal fuse varistors. So these thermal fuse varistors will have an integrated thermally activated element, that is fuse, designed to open in the event of overheating due to abnormal frequent overvoltage or continuous voltage to prevent the catastrophic varistor failures. If you see in the downside, the varistor has catched fire because of the continuous over voltage. In order to avoid this type of catastrophic failures, the varistors have a built-in thermal fuse element. So whenever continuous over voltage occurs, the fuse will be open. But disadvantage with this is the circuitry is no longer protected from the over voltage, and there are two types of thermal fuse varistors with 2 lead and 3 lead. 2 lead is not having any monitoring lead, and the 3 lead is having a monitoring lead, so which will give an indication, external indication, using an LEDs or any alarm. So for detecting that the circuitry is no longer transient protected.